Next question on simple interest. A sum at simple interest at 13.5% per annum amount to rupees 2502.50 after 4 years. Find the sum. You just look at the screen. In this you need to calculate simple interest. आपको simple interest निकालना है. The rate is given to you 13.5 per annum. So this R value is given to you. This amount to rupees 2502.50. So after the simple interest apply on principal amount, you have such amount. How much? 2502.50 after 4 years. So accumulated amount is given to you. You need to find out the sum. Now let the sum is x. पहले मान लेते हैं, assume to be the my sum is what? X. Now the amount is given to you. What is the amount when you apply simple interest on principal amount? So you need to calculate this principal. So you assume this is x. What is the formula of simple interest? PRT by 100. But since you assume your p value is x, so I can replace this p value by x. The amount is given to you 2502.50. So this value is given to you. Now you need to solve this x and find out the value. So this is what 2502.50 is equal to how much? You can take x common also, huh? Okay, I can take x common. So 1 plus RT by 100. So what is R? R is given to you. R is how much? So 13.5%, it means 27 by 2%. So I write here 27 by 2 time 4 year is given to you. So this is what? 2 times it cancels. So now this is x 100 plus 54. So 154 divided by 100. Okay. So you can cancel it. 50. This is 77. So 50 by 77. So what is x? So from here my x value is what? My x value is, you just cross multiply. So 2502.5 multiplied by 50 divided by 77. So use calculator and find out the value of this. So I can write here 2502.5 multiplied by 50 divided by 77. So this value is how much? 1625. So this is my sum money. Okay, so this is the solution of this question. Now move to another question. Okay, again I repeating. Let the sum value is x. So this is the formula. Okay, accumulated amount is given to you. So this is the final amount which is given to you 502.50. This is you need to calculate. So I put this value as x. So what is simple formula? Simply write the formula is PRT by 100 over here. So I replace this p by x. So you have x common in this. You can solve it directly by putting this value direct in this equation. The rest all things are mathematics. So if you generate the equation first, you will definitely get the solution. So after this, different person applied different method to solve this equation. So this is my approach. You can use another approach also. Move to the next question. A sum of rupees 800 amounts. The sum of rupees 800 amounts to rupees 920 in 3 years at simple interest. Find the rate. So first you calculate the rate. Now if interest rate is increased by 8%, what would amount increases? I move to this question. What are the data given to you? So in this, first you calculate the rate. So in this question, first you calculate the interest rate. So first you calculate the interest rate, and second is if the rate is increases by 8%, then what is your amount? Okay. So this you need to calculate. Now, what are the given data? So in given data, this 800 is your principal, which after 3 years it increases up to 920, right? 920 rupees. So how much interest. So what is simple interest in this case? So 920 minus 800, that means 120 is the simple interest. Now I write simple interest formula. Simple interest formula is what? PRT divided by 100. देखो यहाँ पे क्या है, 3 साल में after 3 years this amount increases up to this with this simple interest accumulated on this. So this simple interest is what? PRT by 100. Simple interest is 120 is equal to P value is given to you 800. You need to calculate this R. Time is how much? 3 year given to you, divide by 100. So this 2 gone. 3 4s are 12 0. Now you have 40 and 8. So R value is what? 40 by 8. So you will have 5%. So my R value is what? 5% per annum. So this is my interest rate. The first thing solved. First question solved. Okay, this is my first part. Now, what is my second part? In second part, question says if the rate is increases up to 8%, then what is your amount? So our amount is what? P plus simple interest. What is your P value? P value is 800. What is simple interest at this percent rate for same year? So PRT divided by 100. So this is 800 plus P is again 800. R value is how much? 8% for 3 years divided by 100. You can take 800 common. So this is 1 plus 24 by 100. So 24 by 100 it means 800. This is 124 divided by 100. 2020 gone. 8 4 is 32. 2 carry 3. 8 to the 16, 19, 1 carry 1. 8 was the 8 plus 1 9. So now you increase the amount by 992. Previously it was what? 920. Now 920 at the rate of 5%. Now if the rate is increases up to 8%, your amount is increased up to 992. So this is the solution of this question. Next question is Adam, a person name. Adam borrowed some money at a rate of 6% per annum for the first 2 years, at the rate of 9% per annum for the next 3 years, and at a rate of 14% per annum for the period beyond 5 years. Okay, if he pays a total interest of rupees 11,400 at the end of the 9 years, how much money did he borrow? Now, what is the question? What the values given in the question? Now, for 2 years, my rate of interest is how much? 6% per annum. For the next 3 years, what is the rate of interest? 9% per annum. Now 5 years gone. And in question it mentioned that after 5 years, beyond 5 years, the rate of interest is how much? Rate of interest is 14% per annum. But the total duration is how much? 9 years. It mentioned the end of 9 years, how much money did he borrow? So how after 5 years gone, that means for the next 4 years, the rate of interest is how much? 14% per annum. Now let the simple interest, let the amount, you need to calculate amount, principal amount, x. Now for the first 2 years, what is your simple interest? So simple interest at a rate of 6% plus for 2 years. Simple interest at a rate of 9% for 3 years plus simple interest at a rate of 4 years for 14%. The total simple interest which he given is 11,400. Simple interest formula is what? PRT by 100. So I can write here XRT by 100 plus XRT by 100 plus XRT by 100 is equal to 11. Now different R, different T. Okay, what is my R1 value? 6%. T value for 2 years divided by 100. In this question, what is my R? R is 9%, time is 3 years, 100. Plus in this question, X, R is how much? 14%, and t is how much, 4 here, is equal to 11,400. Now solve this. So this is 50, 325. So 3x by 25 plus this is 27x by 100 plus this one is 56x by 100, 11400. Take LCM. LCM is 100. 4 times gone. 25 4s are 100. So 4 3s are 12x plus 27x plus 56x is equal to 11,400. Now 56 plus 12, it comes 68, 68 and 75, 95x. So from here 95x divided by 100 is equal to 11,400. Now what is x? X is 11,400 multiply, cross multiply divide by 95. Now with the help of calculator you can calculate this value. This value is 11,400 multiplied by 100 divided by 95. So you will get my x value is how much? 12,000. So my x value is how much? 12,000. 12,000. Okay. So you can also use calculator, that how we apply and put the value on the calculator to find out the solution. Most of the time the student not aware with how to use calculator. So it's better I request to all of you use calculator in an effective way so that you can use to that how we use calculator to put the value and find out the solution. Sometimes you have calculator but you didn't get the answer because of wrong input. Okay, so we practice with this. So this is the question. In question 6% for 2 years given to you, 9% for 3 years given to you, and beyond 5 years 14% is given to you. But how much year is left? Total year is 9, so 5 years gone to 4 years left. Now you apply 3 simple interest formula. Total simple interest is given to you. So from with the help of this you can calculate the principal amount. Okay.